in the cyber security or in the digital forensics, the first and main thing we need to focus is like preventing that. If any crime or incident is happen now, first and foremost thing we need to focus on is like not to catch the person. Our focus should be first to prevent the attack, because once any attack is done now, it will affect all the devices within no time. Okay, if it is
Correct.
whenever we found it was attacked infected with one system now, first we need to prevent the attack there itself. Like we need to unplug it from the internet and we need to make it separate from the connected network so that we can save the other devices that are there in the network. Okay, so that the
Mm-hmm.
damage will be very less.
Uh-huh.
If instead of that, if we focus on catching the cyber criminal now, in the meantime it will affect all the devices that are there in the network, where it is going to create huge damage to the organization. So that is what I am not telling, not to focus on the criminal. First, we need to maintain the prevention, then we need to focus on the investigation.